Hey everyone, here I am doing exercise 11.3 8th question. This is from chapter perimeter and area of class 7. The question is, find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter. If the rate of a polishing is rupees 15 per meter square and they have given to take a pi value as 3.14. So what is given in the question? They have given that to find the cost of a circular tabletop, means a table which is in the shape of circle, okay, and the diameter of circle they have given is 1.6 meter. This is 1.6 meter they have given. So we have to find out the cost of polishing the circular table, means this whole area of the circular table we have to find out. Since we're doing a polishing here, so we have to find the area of the circular table, and they have given the diameter, and then later we have to find out the cost of it, okay, the price, total cost of it. Okay, so let's find out. So we understood what we have to find out. Since we're doing a polishing here, the polishing the circular table means we are finding the area of the circular table. So let's see what is given. So they have given diameter, which is 1.6 meter. Now we have to find out the radius, and we know that radius is equal to half of the diameter, that is d divided by 2. So this is equal to 1.6 divided by 2, which will be equal to 0.8 meter. Okay, now we got this. Second, we have to find out the area of the circular tabletop. So area of circular tabletop will be area of circular tabletop is equal to pi r square. Okay, so pi value they asking us to take 3.14. So 3.14, r square is nothing but r into r. So 0.8 multiplied by 0.8. Now 3.14 multiplied by 0.8 multiplied by 0.8 will be 0.64. Now when you multiply this two number further, we'll get the answer as 2.0096 meter square. I'm not going to show the multiplication part. I have already multiplied the number. We get 2.0096. Now that was the first part of the question. Now second, they're asking us to find out the cost. How to find out the cost here? Now since they're taking per meter square, it is 15 rupees. So for 2.0096 meter square, how much it will be? That is what we have to find out. So cost we're gonna find out here. So cost of polishing. So cost of polishing 1 meter square area is equal to rupees 15. Yes, we have to find out cost of polishing 2.0096. So cost of polishing this area 2.0096 meter square will be nothing but rupees 15 multiplied by 2.0096. So when you multiply these two number, we'll get the answer as rupees 30.14. That's it. So I hope this question is clear how we got the answer. Now in case you have a further question or doubt, you can drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.